I know there's not a whole lot out there for something as simple as this, but we're looking at a crankcase pressure sensor in the tube assembly and the PCV valve. So for the crankcase pressure sensor, there's your part number, FL3Z6758 Alpha. So, right there, this is the crankcase pressure tube. There's a sensor. Super simple. Depress this. Disconnect the electrical connector. These guys have little plastic set spring loaded, not really a spring loaded, but tab. And if you press down here, you've got the other tab. You can't see that very well, but that moves. Push it, gently pull up, and it pops off. I just replaced it, so I'm not taking it off. Same with that end. This whole thing comes off. Young Ford dealer in Morgan, Utah. The tube assembly was 65-ish, something like that. Like 65. Yeah, somewhere in there. And then your PCV valve is here, that gray piece. So you're going to do the same thing. Pop this guy off. And then this PCV valve twists out. Twists out. So, pair of pliers or adjustable wrench around the base. Turn it 90-ish. It'll pop off. Put the new one in. Put your tube back on. The only time you need to replace this tube is if it gets damaged or whatnot. So, crankcase pressure sensor tube assembly, PCV valve. There's your how-to.